So tomorrow, Stellenbosch will be hosting Orlando Pirates. Stellenbosch will be hosting Orlando Pirates le Altron Stadium. Yabo. Bekuyimatch emnandi lena bafethu bekuyimatch emnandi abantu abaningi bayilindele le match ngoba Orlando Pirates ifuna ukuregain i-confidence yayo ibuyele kwe-title race. Yabo abantu abaningi sebeyirayithe off. Many people have written off Orlando Pirates in the title race. So mase bathola 3 points kwigame eksasa against Stellenbosch. Orlando Pirates ingabuyela kwinkulumo ze-league. Yabo ingabuyela ngempela kwinkulumo ze-league. So lana ngizokhuluma about iform ye-Orlando Pirates against Stellenbosch. Stellenbosch akusiyona iclub elula. Yabo akusiyona iclub elula kwi-Orlando Pirates because many games Orlando Pirates esewadlalile neSteelers. iSteelers hlezi sizoyishaya Orlando Pirates. Yabo iSteelers hlezi sizoyishaya Orlando Pirates angazi kanjani. Yabo I feel like Jose Rivero ucabanga kakhulu mezodlala neSteelers. Yabo kanti iSteelers ke iyona team ejwayele ukuyiguqisa Orlando Pirates because mazo bheka iKaizer Chiefs midlala neSteelers ubukubona Kaizer Chiefs, they always find a way to beat Stellenbosch. Yabo abakazi nje babe nomzima bokushaya iSteelers. iSteelers neKaizer Chiefs sazi ukuthi mehle izowina lapho. Yabo ade ngibona iRun yeKaizer Chiefs. They've beaten iStellenbosch 3 times kule season le. Yabo in different competitions. Bayishaya kabili kwi-league. Yabo bayishaya ngo-1-0, baphinde bayishaya ngo-2-1. Baphinde futhi kule game adidla ngeweekend bayishaya ngo-3-1 iSteelers. Yabo so iKaizer Chiefs iyakwazi ukuyishaya le team but ke mase kuziwa kuthina ngazi mhlambe inkingi kuthina singesazi kodwa kule game le Orlando Pirates I see them taking 3 points because mase ubheka kwiside le Stellenbosch even though iside le Stellenbosch mhlawumbe lizofuna ukuyiphindiselela kumakhelwana because phela iKaizer Chiefs umakhelwane wethu iyona iKaizer Chiefs iyona esathanda kushaya iSteelers. Yabo bazofuna ukuyiphindiselela kuthina but ke ukuyiphindiselela kuthina ngeke kwazi ngeke kubasize kalutho. Ikubasiza ukuthi uyiphindiselela kuthina because nathi right now sikwiform yethu ekahle. Yabo nathi sikwiform yabo sinabo abadlali abasha abadlala kamnandi Mbokazi noNdlozi yabo bayimisela abafethu kule game le abazoyimisela ngempela because last time we played against the Steelers asishango 1-0 so nathi sobe sifuna i-revenge kulo game le. Yabo nathi sifuna i-revenge kulo game leyo and iStellenbosch right now abadlali isinabadlali ababili abangekho kule club. Sinabadlali ababili okuSage Stevens ugoalkeeper. Yabo uSage Stevens ngiyazi akwazi ukuyidlala igame kusasa ususpended and futhi uThor yabo idefender la khona le Ivory Coast ngelikwazi ukuyidlala le game lelisuspended lathuliyeke lo card against the Kaizer Chiefs. So nathi sinayi upper hand. Yabo sinayi upper hand because bazovimbisa uOswin ubasuluke le goalkeeper lo washaya uqethu against the Orlando Pirates esadlalela iBaroka ngalize ayikhathi liza. Yabo so yeah ugoalkeeper yena ongajwayela ukuvimba and ke abanali linye defender labo so that fail le fixture le favor Orlando Pirates. Yabo that favors Orlando Pirates ukuthi uthola 3 points singesazi ke kodwa phela ibhola liyaginqika. Yabo eCape Town asikaze sibe nayo inhlanhla ukuthi siwuthola 3 points mesodlala eCape Town unless mikuyi-cup game. Mekuyi-cup game siyakwazi ukufika eCape Town so siwin igame yabo no let's but ke mesidlalela 3 points siyabo sijwayele ukuhamba no 1 point yabo sidraw no let's but ke I so wish abafana bawothola 3 points. I feel like le game le izowenza Orlando Pirates ikwazi yabo ake kuzobe igame yokujima not ukujima per se but phela iSteelers i-team strong. Yabo mekuyi-team strong so izonikeza Orlando Pirates like motivation yokuthi ikwazi ukudlala neSundowns ngomgqibelo because udlala neSundowns yabo another big fixture right there so just udlala neSteelers siza show ukuthi sifaka ischeme esizodlala Saturday against the Sundowns. Sifaka the perfect lineup ezodlala against the Sundowns because iSteelers i-team enzima. Yabo mesofaka le lineup le mesenze show ukuthi sayiphinda against the Sundowns. Yabo but ke singesazi bafethu ungangitshela ukuthi ngokwakho ufuna siwine ngoba le game le. Yabo it's either are we going to win or are we going to draw or are we going to lose noma nathi sowenza ukwenziwa iKaizer Chiefs sikwazi ukuthenga uRef methengeka. Ngiyahlala bafethu iKaizer Chiefs ayimthenga ngoRef.